So hello guys, welcome back to my reel, and I am saying yesterday what is special today, so that's why uploading my reel. So watching till the end. Let's start guys. And today my exam, so that's why material some taking and some hairstyle checking, chuck hairstyle, as well as dress checking, chuck. Exam purpose listening class, but not understand me, so skip the YouTube. After my feeling my own writing exam, not a copy paste. And hostel kidding, college choosing, college is very long reading and rough going. I am pray with God all pass. And this lorry is suddenly coming and my face glow is important, so put it the mask. And my glow is rap doing rap. Coming Vikarabad railway station. Vikarabad railway station is very damaged fully, and seeing my college and me first year jaying my principal sir one dialogue saying విశ్వ విజయమైన మన విశ్వ భారతి కాలేజ్ వికారాబాద్ లోనే మొదటి స్థానంలో ఉంది అని ఆ కాలేజ్ లో మేము లేము. అండ్ మీ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆల్సో గ్యాదరింగ్ అండ్ హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే అండ్ గ్యాదరింగ్ సంథింగ్ టాకింగ్ వే అండ్ మీ rap డూయింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్ నాట్ rap డూయింగ్ వాట్ డూ నో ఎగ్జామ్ పర్పస్ ఆల్ టాకింగ్ మీ సడన్లీ గోయింగ్ ఆల్సో rap me thinking what is question come not preparation exam, so that's why thinking and also going. So let's start the exam. All writing exam, me not writing only video what is, and me video recording. Sir suddenly saying give me phone, and sir suddenly coming going. All are asking rap give the your paper. My paper is doctor writing. Seeing my friends paper, friends is very well writing. And me outside going very long time coming friends, so also rap doing and model doing. Hey mama, how to writing exam? Mama saying wow nice writing exam, rough doing. And after this guy is also topper guys late coming Santosh guy. So exam is completed, ekkad ki akada chalo bye going. And this ID card is my wife and padadingiding. And friends also one place sitting some talking way. Jagan guy is very shameful. And friends also saying one more time rap doing. Bye guys. Me and my three gang friend Jagan and Ajay coming and going rap doing. And Ajay was super rider, Jagan was rider, and hostel is coming. Exam going, friends not meeting. And after dropping Ajay saying rap, but Jagan not saying rap. And guys, this is robot type walking. Do follow guys more videos.